Just tell the world all the things we've done, falling in love and the setting sun. I've got a song and a smile so bright, I'll make you wish you were here tonight. All right.
Tell the World. It's choreographed by Robbie McGowan Hickie. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around doing 4 walls of the dance, so you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Tell the World. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks back. We're going to step back right, step back left. We're now going to do a right coaster cross. Step your right foot back, left next to right, cross your right foot slightly over your left. We're now going to do shuffles into the left and right diagonal. So we're going to shuffle slightly off-centered with our left foot, stepping our left foot forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to shuffle into the right diagonal, shuffle right, forward, left together, right forward. At this point, your hips are slightly turned to the right to allow transition into the next section. Let's try it with some counts. We're walking back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, your hips are angled towards the right. We're going to do a cross side behind with a heel jack. So we're going to cross our left over our right. You're going to step your right foot to the side, left foot behind. We're now going to quickly step our right foot to the right side and place your left heel forward into the left diagonal. We're going to step our left foot next to our right, and we're going to cross our right over our left. Step your left foot to the side, right foot behind. You're going to quickly step your left foot to the left side and place your right heel forward into the right diagonal, and then quickly step your right next to your left. Let's try that with some counts. We just did our right shuffle. You're slightly angled to the right, and you're ready to cross your left over your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Section 3, we're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, and we're going to do a quarter chassé, stepping our left foot to the left side, right together, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You're now at 9 o'clock. We're going to rock forward with our right, Recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, we're cross-rocking our left over our right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're gonna rock forward with our left foot, recover onto your right, and we're gonna do a half shuffle over our left shoulder. You're gonna start by making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right foot next to your left, and you're gonna make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward. We're now going to do heel switches. We're gonna take our right heel, place it forward, step your right foot next to your left and place your left heel forward. Step your left foot next to your right, and you're gonna step your right foot slightly forward. We're now gonna come up on the balls of both feet, and we're gonna swivel our heels to the right, and then recover back onto your left foot as you swivel your heels back center. End of dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, your rock half shuffling. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again by walking back. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your 2 walks back. Walk back, back right, coaster, cross left, diagonal shuffle, right diagonal shuffle, cross, side, behind, ball, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, rock, recover, quarter turning, chasse, rock, recover, right, coaster, step, left, rock, recover, left, half shuffle, heel, step, step, swivel, weights on your left foot, and you're ready to start over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your 2 walks back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you're ready to keep on going. So now we're gonna go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we'll be using counts. Weight's gonna start on that left foot. We're starting with our walk back. Walk back, back right, coaster, cross left, diagonal shuffle, right diagonal shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, heel, step, cross, side, behind, side, heel, step, cross, rock, recover, quarter turning, chasse, right rock, recover, coaster, step, left rock, recover, half shuffle, heel, step, step, swivel, go back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Walk back right, left, right, coaster, cross left, diagonal shuffle, right diagonal shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, heel, step, cross, side, behind, side, heel, step, cross, rock, recover, quarter turning, chasse, rock, recover, right, coaster, step, left, rock, recover, left, half shuffle, heel, step, step, swivel, back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then that is the whole dance. After that, you don't have to worry about anything. You're just going to dance the dance the whole way through. I hope this helps you learn Tell the World. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.